So this is how it comes like this. I'm actually going to take this out so you can see it. And then the top one, you got to be careful because these, if you were to flip it over, all those would come off. And it seems like maybe I took off. Yeah, so there's 2 layers here. So see, like if I take this one off, that's going to all come out. These are right on the top. Oopsies. Okay, then this comes off here. And this comes with the file. And then the darker side of the file is like a more coarse grain. This is more towards the buffing side or in the corners. And then a little wooden stick has 2 sides. If I can, yeah, there you go. It has the pointy side. And it also has the flat side. Be careful when you're using it. Don't be too rough or just like stay on watching TV. And then, I'm gonna try these out. And as this comes out, you can see. It comes with all the different ones, which is so perfect. And I'm so excited. I believe this maybe doesn't come with the gel tabs. No, this doesn't come with the gel tabs. So it's maybe only one-time use, but I don't care because look how beautiful they are. And they're gonna fit perfectly. Look at the stones are already on them.